In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your Facebook activity history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here at your profile picture to move on to your Facebook profile, and then tap at this three dots button next to Edit Profile. You will be taken to this screen where you can easily find Activity Log. And once you are at Activity Log page, tap at Activity History right over here. What that will do, that will show you all your Facebook activity history that is sorted in chronological order. So then you can scroll down or up to find the information you are searching for. And also right here we can filter our activities. If we tap at filters, we'll be able to select a category. Let's say I would like to search for comments and reactions, and then likes and reactions, and that will filter my activity just by likes and reactions. In this way I can easily find them. To remove a filter, tap right here. That's how you can easily see your Facebook activity history. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.